Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a house that's in Riberas, and this one is priced as is. It is not completed, but that would be your responsibility once you moved in, but it's, I would say 99.5% finished, okay? So you would just have to add some plants and I think maybe a couple appliances. I'm not sure, but anyway, I personally really love this house. What I love about it the most is especially the second floor. I feel like I'm in like a castle, but like a modern one, you know, like one that was just built, kind of like a little tiny baby castle. You'll see what I mean, because the ceilings are wood and metal beams, and it's just so beautiful. And I don't know, just the details in it, I really like it a lot. And then where the garden spaces are placed are really unique and cool too. So I think this would be an absolutely beautiful home if it was purchased and somebody put, like, you know, their decor skills to work in this one. I really like this one. It's very beautiful, and it's a corner lot too, which is very nice because you have the front door on one side, you have the garage on the other side, and it's just placed very nicely. It's got 2 stories. The second floor is my fave. I think I already said that. And before we get started checking out this property, we have a bed and breakfast and a cafe in Ajijic Centro. We are walkable to everything. We have AC everywhere because it's hot as hell here right now. And we're all just waiting for like rainy season to start and praying for rain. Anyway, so the cafe is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And the bed and breakfast, all of our rooms have AC, streaming TVs, brand new mattresses, reverse osmosis water, ensuite bathrooms, safes, refrigerators, microwaves, whatever you need. And we literally are 1 block from everything. So we would love it if you guys came and stayed with us. If you're coming for a visit, we have incentives for people who are buying, people who are selling, whatever you're doing. If you're just coming here on vacation, whatever you want, you know. And if you want more information on these places, you can go to my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast and the cafe, and also a link to the Chapala MLS. And if you go to the contact form, you can contact me there. Just fill out that information, hit send, to go straight to my email. So if you're looking to sell your property here, I can do an opinion of value for you. Or if you are looking to, and then just come check out your property and put it on the market. And then if you're looking to buy and you're coming down here to visit and you want to go on tour, so fill out that contact form and we'll get started in the process for you. Yeah, all right, let's go check out this property. This home is listed for $292,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 240 square meters or 2,583 square feet. The lot size is 225 square meters or 2,422 square feet. It is not located in a gated community, therefore there is not an HOA on this property. It does not come furnished, and it's located in Riberas del Pilar. All right, guys, this property that we're checking out today is this nice little corner area right here. And as you can see, it is new construction. So when this photo was taken, the house wasn't exactly complete. All right, so this is a corner lot in Riberas. And let's see exactly where we are in Riberas. We're only about a block and a half, 2 blocks from the lake. I'm sure there's some lake access through here somewhere if these aren't all private properties. Oh, check out this nursing home. You got parents who need to go in one, you'll be like a block away, half a block away. How nice. We have Chapala Dental Care right here. What else do we have? Ooh, Casa del Arte. I've never been there, but that sounds nice. And you're right on the border, basically, of San Antonio and Riberas. Riberas is known for being more suburban type living. And then you have a lot of businesses on the carretera or the highway right here. And then San Antonio is known for being kind of a mix of everything. It's like a very small city. So you've got businesses throughout the neighborhoods, and then you have homes throughout here too. So if you wanted to kind of just walk over that direction to go to a few things, you could totally do that. San Antonio Hospital is right here. Centro Laguna Mall with a movie theater, food court, casino, cell phone store, athletic clothing. What else they got there? They got bakery in there. Yeah, that's nice. AutoZone and Walmart are right here. La Paseña is a great seafood restaurant. Sunrise Restaurant is very delicious breakfast food. Adelita Bar and Grill is great for dinner. So yeah, there's a lot going on through here. You have an 9-hole golf course right here in Chula Vista. Excelente. Let's check out the whole area. We have Chapala here, Riberas, San Antonio, Ajijic, West Ajijic, San Juan Cozalá, Xantepec, and Jocotepec. And then you can go over to the other side of the lake here to visit all these towns through here. San Luis Soyatlan is known for their vampiros. And one of my favorite places to go is actually Mazamitla. Where is it? I can't find it. But it's somewhere here in the mountains. And here's Mazamitla, and it's got its own little microclimate. So there's pine trees through there and deer apparently, although we've never seen them. And it looks like a little Swiss village. The plaza's beautiful. They've got cabins in there. It's very nice. To drive from this house to San Antonio Hospital is 2 minutes. So if you had an emergency and you needed an ambulance, clearly it would take them only like a minute to get to you because ambulances don't have to obey traffic laws. So that's why. And then if we wanted to go over to Centro Laguna Mall, where there's a nice Scandinavian bakery, the movie theater and everything that I was telling you about, that's a 5-minute drive. Driving from that house to Ajijic Centro would take you 13 minutes. And just for fun, let's say you wanted to go all the way to Joco and check out this little town, it would take you 40 minutes to drive there. And to get from this house to Guadalajara International Airport would be a 55-minute drive. You could take this little shortcut right here and it'd be a 48-minute drive. All right, everybody, that's it for me. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments or go to the contact form on my website like I told you about earlier. And I will see you guys for the next video. If you want more videos in this price range, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.